Hello, I'm out here on Riverside Drive about to try something a little different. We're going to do ThisMachine e-bikes today, and I'm out here with my dad. So say hello, Pak.
Hello, here I am with my son.
We're going to give this a shot, see how it goes. Haven't used these ThisMachine e-bikes before, and always a good thing to try something new. Ooh, there's a little punch from that, that's for sure. So ThisMachine is a public-private partnership. It's a local renting company for e-bikes that's designed to get people in Tulsa out on the road and using bikes again. Yeah, going uphill is great. You're not getting any? That's strange. Do you want to trade, see if it's something going on with your bike? Because I'm seeing you struggling a lot more than I am. Oh, thank you. Yeah, Pak, why don't we trade here? You're not having you're having more difficulties than you should be. There's a bell in them?
Yeah.
Huh. Cool. All right.
I hadn't have experienced that at all. Okay. I can only give it 1 star.
1 star on that one. Yeah, well, yeah, we got to let them know that you had a problem with it too.
Okay, so let's try another one.
Sounds like a good plan. Gotta appreciate the opportunity to swap out the bikes if something's wrong with them too. A lot easier than trying to go over to a wrench, to a bike shop and have them wrench on it.
Oh, that's much better.
Oh no! This is the old 66 bridge. We got the new 66 bridge and the old 66 bridge. Oh. Okay. I think this one is the closed one, but so neat to see the old bridge here. Yeah, it looks like they got a little plaque and something down here. This is new since the last time I was here. Little benches. I think we'll cross on the other side though. Interesting what? Yeah. If you're not aware of this already, Tulsa is the center of Route 66. It's where the idea came to connect Chicago with Los Angeles. So there's an awful lot of Route 66 nostalgia and memorabilia throughout Oklahoma. Cool. They set up this neat little Route 66 area. So coming back up this hill is going to be fun. Whee! moment and can see downtown Tulsa over in the distance. It's kind of neat to be able to see downtown. Sure, we'll head that way. Whoa, excuse me. Stop boosting, I was not pedaling. It's not uncomfortable, it's just a little strange.
Yeah, it can be a little surprising.
Feel like I'd rather have it on instead of a pedal assist like this, although I definitely see the advantage. I'd rather have a little lever underneath my thumb to add it myself. Yeah. Choose when I wanted it, you know? E-bike made quite a difference on the way up the hill though, as I knew it would. That would have winded me completely, and now I can still talk to you. That's exciting. Mostly because I wanted to come up on this side. Do a victory lap here too. Decided to take this alternate path right around the gathering place. Should end up taking us to Centennial Park. That's good. A lot more people in Gathering Place today than there were the last time I was here. Of course, I got yelled at for being in here, so there's that. They hadn't reopened the gate officially. What's that? Yeah, not so good. Coming up behind. Thank you. I do like this highway though.
So you hear my...
I do. You don't hear mine doing that at all.
No.
Yeah, I think you've got something rubbing on the brake. I think you were right on that. Of course, mine clicks anytime I go too fast. On your left? Hello, downtown Tulsa.
There it is.
Complete with the highway exit sign to let you know where you are. One of the best views of the city skyline from right here. It's a little barren now, but the water still is pretty. It does that. You don't have to look for the gap in them so much. Unfortunately, the camera died shortly after this, but we did make it back to our starting point after 2.5 hours on bike. I would never have expected to be able to be out on a bike with my dad for 2.5 hours without it being an electric bike. That really made a difference. And other than that little hiccup at the beginning, we really had a great day. Thanks for watching, friend human, and if you get a chance, check out some of the other videos in the Keppel's vlog. They're all about hiking and biking and outdoor things, and you probably will enjoy them if you've enjoyed this video at all. Until next time, take care.